Hey kitty cats! There is not as much light in this room as I'd like there to be. Get a little more. I don't know. It's kind of dark out because it's gonna rain. Again, for like the millionth freaking time. I'm so sick of rain. I can't even discuss. Okay, so we're doing part 2 of this declutter. And so we're finishing off this drawer. What else do we have in this lovely drawer? There's still a couple small ones in here. We've got this. I'm definitely keeping this. I actually was looking at their website the other day and thinking I need to buy some more stuff from Pretty's for your face because they make good products. These lovely eyeshadows. They're beautiful eyeshadows, and I love using them. So I'm definitely keeping the Sanderson Sisters eyeshadow palette. That is staying. Next, I've got this NYX Avant Pop 10 color shadow palette. I've had this forever, I know, but I use it a lot at Halloween. I do. So I gotta keep it just for that. It gets used a lot during that time. So you need it. Now, stepping into... Oh, we've got NYX Off Tropic. This doesn't really do anything for me. Like, I thought it was going to be like, I was going to really like it, but then I was like, nah, I don't really like it. Like, I've barely used it, though. Barely. But, yeah, I'm going to give that up. And the Disney Villains Misunderstood. This is a ColourPop palette. This is... There's the colors. I haven't used this in a while, but gosh. I'm looking, I'm like, why don't I use this more? It's got some really beautiful dark colors. Like dark glittery colors that I like. So why am I'm keeping that. I think I just haven't so many palettes that like it's lost. The ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply. Oh my god, I forgot about this one. I went through a phase where I was using this a lot. Like after I got it. Come on, focus. Thank you. There you go. It's such beautiful colors in it. I know it's got some of the chunky glitter, which some people don't like. It's got like 3 of those, but I actually like them. Hungry Ghost is awesome. But if you don't like really glittery shadows, then maybe that wouldn't be for you, because there's like 3 of them in there. This one, Wicked Sisters. This is a really nice company. I definitely suggest checking out their other palettes, including this one. This is Vampires Everywhere. It's supposed to be like a Lost Boys palette. There are 9 colors, really pretty. Santa Carla is very pretty, it's right in the middle. So is Frog Brothers, which is the green one. Very pretty colors, so that's staying. Am I going to get rid of anything? This I won. This is an Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I actually won this in a giveaway. It was a great giveaway. This is a really great palette. Some really nice, just shimmery, basic like colors. So when you're just, you could do just about anything with that palette. It's nice. Now I have Naked Urban Decay Heat. This one I wanted so badly, and my friend got it for me for like a birthday a couple years ago, and I know eyeshadows shouldn't be kept for like that long, but whatever. Sanitize your makeup often. That's all I can say. My kitten is like totally getting into stuff that they're not supposed to be into. But yes, this is a really nice palette. I'm not giving it up. just yet. This one's going. I don't think I don't use it really. The colorful eyeshadow palette from Starry. It's like some little. Actually, you know what? I'm keeping. The colors are so freaking bright. Like this is. I want it. I know. I'm always like, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it, but I don't. I never will. Because I don't use it, but I want to. Life is a Drag. This is a Manny MUA's first eyeshadow palette. And as you can see, it was well used. I'm not letting it go though. Oh my god. Thanks for doing that, cat. Getting into trouble. This has a beautiful yellow in it that I've never seen a yellow quite like it. Like it's pigmented and actually like works. But this definitely needs to be cleaned up. This is a mess. Like there's snatched in my fishy. I'm not sure where to go with that one. Alright, we've got a few more here. The Pumpkin Spice by Peachy Queen. Peachy Queen, another great place to get palettes. Look at those beautiful colors. They are definitely staying. And then the other Peachy Queen, the Spirit Board palette that they did. Also, beautiful colors. You get like a lot, you know? Yeah, this isn't going anywhere either. And the last one for today is the Urban Decay X Kristen Leanne. I remember I wanted this so bad. And then I had it. And I loved it. I used it like all the time. And now I'm over it. Sorry, Kristen. I don't even watch you anymore. And these colors now, like I have them in other. I have like these colors in other, you know, palettes. Like, it's a weird setup. It is. When I really think about it, I'm like, it's a odd color story kind of thing. It's a little confusing. But at the time, it was like, that's what I wanted. So, that is number 3. Okay. And it's starting to rain outside. I'm just gonna... So, I've only, so far, I've got, you know what, I'm gonna put these ones in here. And I will end up showing you at the end, at the part 3, I will end up showing you every single eyeshadow palette that I kept and the ones that left. I still have a few maybes here that are probably are all gonna go, I think, but right now they're still in the maybe pile. And I got like I said, I've got like 5 to go, which my daughter will grab. She always grabs the ones that I don't want anymore. Or her friend grabs the ones that she doesn't want, and so on. So, there you go. But this was what I've gotten through so far. Looking at some of these eyeshadow palettes, I'm like, man, I've spent a whole year practically wearing no makeup, and I definitely feel like I need to spend more time wearing makeup again. Because when I look at these palettes, I'm like, ooh, pretty colors. It makes me want to wear them, you know? So, thanks for coming to my channel. And, yeah. Be safe out there, because it's crazy. It's crazy out there. It is.